Hey again, following from the last video, I thought it would be a good idea to show some exercises about like terms. I hope that the last video made some sense. Alright, let's get into it. So, question 1 is x plus x minus z. Well, this just means we have two x's minus a z. Question 2, we have 4y minus 1y. That's simply 3y. And then we have an x. Question 3, we have 3z minus 1y. That's 2z. And then we have a 5. Question 4, we have f, z, and x terms. None are like terms, so they can't be added together. So it's simply just the same. 2f plus z and an x. Question 5, it gets a bit trickier. So let's see, we have an x squared and no other x squared terms, so it's just x squared, and then we have this term over here, zx, and another two zx's, so that's just 3zx, and we have an x over here, so minus x. Note that in my last video we didn't cover terms such as this, with the two terms multiplied together, but in like terms context they can be treated the same. A zx can only be combined with zx terms, and for example ab terms can only be combined with ab terms. They're just nothing but z times x multiplied together. I believe this exercise helps, and that like terms make sense now. For watching, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share to anyone who might find this helpful, and please subscribe. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.